Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Haggard Hill. What we're going to work on today, I've got this Wi-Fi controller I'm going to put in my old Z Grills Pellet grill. How this came about, I bought this grill back in 2018 when they first came out, and it was actually on a promotion where if you buy the grill, keep it for 5 years, they give you your money back. Well, my 5 years was up and they gave me my money back, and it's been a great grill. And then I got an email from them back in the very early spring, late winter. Wanted to know if I wanted a new grill, a couple promotions going on, or if I wanted to submit a video review of it, they'd send me a $200 gift card. So my grill was working fine. I didn't see any reason to replace it. I bought this grill in August of 2018. The only thing I've had to do to it, other than clean it occasionally, you can see I don't do it very often, was to put a little inline fuse in it. So that's all I've done since 2018. So why replace it? So I took the $200 gift card, I bought some things with it. One of the things that I bought was this Wi-Fi controller. So I'll let you take a look at that. It'll make my old grill Wi-Fi compatible. So we're going to try to install this new controller in the grill here in a little bit and see if we can get it hooked up and working. Okay, I'm not sure what all we're going to get into, but we'll start by taking this old controller out. May end up having to take more of the grill apart. It probably won't be just as easy as pulling this out and pulling out the wires, but we'll see. The unit is unplugged. Ooh, maybe we got lucky. Alright, we're going to try to match up these wires with the wires off the new controller. See what matches up. If they do, hey, we're in business. If not, we'll have to do what most men don't want to do and break out the instruction manual. Alright, this one right here looks like it goes to the built-in probe for the ambient temperature. Let's just see. How about that? Awesome, that matches up. Now then the next one. We got a white, two whites and a green going into two greens. That should be it right here. And then you can stick a screwdriver down in and release the other side, and it should pull right out. Looky there. Hopefully these will plug right in. And it did. All right. Now, and of course I plugged in the wrong one. Now let's plug in the right one. How about that? Green and white, the two greens. Now we got a purple and white. Here would be the purple and white. Plugs into this. These things are a little difficult to unplug. Of course, they've been plugged in for 7 years. No wonder they're a little difficult. Alright, so I got the purple and white unplugged on the old one. And on the new one, plug back in. Now let's see. Here's two whites and a yellow. I bet they probably go together. Got those together. Let's see what we have left to do. We got this one. That looks like the power. They sent this little adapter to go on there, which looks like I'm going to need. For some reason the wires are crossed. But that's okay. It looks like it's going to work. Sorry for my hands being in the way, folks. Small deal to work in. Alright, got that one unplugged. So we have the old one completely out. That's what it looks like. This little fuse in here is the only repair I had to do to this grill in 7 years of use. We'll keep that in case we need it again. Now, the wires are crisscrossed. That's the only way it can go together because of the way the plug is made. So I'm assuming they knew what they're doing at the factory. If not, I think I know how the fix will be. It'll be an easy fix just to switch them around. Alright, it appears like we have everything hooked up with the exception of this ground, and we're going to hook that right in there. Alright, you may have a hard time seeing it, but the ground wire needs to hook right there. Alright, kind of hard for you to see, but I got the ground wire in there. I ran the antenna wire up through the base earlier. Fish it out. It hooks right into here. It's just a little magnetic mount. We'll stick it on here on the side anywhere. For right now, we may have to adjust on it a little bit later. Let's cable tie a few of these up and make it look just a little bit neater. And we'll put it back in there and give it a test run. We'll leave that plastic on there for just a minute. Now let me plug it in and we'll see what she does. Okay, I've got the screen record on my phone screen. We'll be showing you that video as well, and I've also got the video on here so you can see what's going on. So we're going to add device on my phone. You'll be able to see this. I'm going to turn this on here. You can see what it does there. Put search device on the phone. Here we go, the grill. Put in my password. Currently set at 73. Shows my target temp of 275. Let's plug in a probe and see how it does. Plugging in probe 1. Let's put it in my hand and blow on it. So we'll see how hot it gets. Temperature's going right up. Looks like everything's working. You can shut it down by using this knob, or you can shut it down from the app. We're going to shut it down from the app. Confirm shutdown. When you confirm shutdown, it'll shut down, and you look over here, 9 minutes and 45 seconds. S down for shutdown. 5, down the counting down, 1 second, and then the fan shuts off. And there you have it, folks. Looks like it's a success. Thanks for stopping by and helping me install this Wi-Fi controller in my 7-year-old Z Grills grill. Hey, I'm not sponsored by them at all, but they make a great grill. If you want to buy one, like I said, I've owned this one for 7 years. The only problem I ever had to do, I had a fuse go out in the control board, put a fuse in it, which I think they cost about 59 cents or $1 or something like that. I don't know what it was. It wasn't very much. But anyway, that's the only problem I've had with this grill over the years. But thanks again for stopping by and watching and helping out with this project. If you like my content, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Thanks for stopping by and visiting with us here on Haggett Hill. Come back and see us sometime. Please like and subscribe. It helps my channel grow. And as always, God bless to you and your family.